Hello YouTube, how are you today? If today has been a bad day for you, don't worry, I will make you happy today with this quick and easy split making trick. I don't know about other YouTubers because this is my own researching idea. Let's get started. Wait, before we start, if you are new to my channel, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for never miss an update. Don't miss a single moment today because every moment is going to be exciting. So let's begin. Open your Premiere Pro software and get started with your favorite 4 videos. Today I will teach you to split screen and 4. I think after watching this video you can do more with it. Okay, select 4 video clip at once. Drag it to timeline. Now put this one on top of the other, just like me. Inside effect control, I will make the scale size 50% each video. After do that, arrange those video clip as you wish. Please note, here you may need to resize your video clip or you may need to crop. If that happen, add a crop effect to this clip. Then go to effect control and adjust the clip. After happy with it, right click here, new item, color matte. We will use it in the empty space. With default settings, hit OK. Here choose your favorite color. Don't worry about it, you can change it anytime. I don't know what color I choose here, maybe white. After selecting color, hit OK. Add this color matte down here, don't add it to the top of those videos. It's done. Let's see a quick preview. It's great to see. Okay, now let's try to change the white color. To do that, you don't need to do much things here. Simply just click on this white color matte and it's offer you to choose any color. Choose a color and hit OK. You can see our white color also changed to light green. As I was told you, you can change this color anytime easily. Let's change it to magenta. Change it to deep blue. Let's see a quick preview. It looks so beautiful. Great work. If you like this way I do, let me know on the comment section below. Which method do you follow? Don't forget to share with us. Let's try dual split screen. To do it, delete 2 clip from here. Now I have 2 clip here. Below of those two clips, I have a color matte. Now you need to adjust scale and position of those two clips using effect control. Do it slowly, don't be hurry. You can hide your clip to see whether the position and other things are correct. I think it looks good for me. Now take this color matte to the top of those video clip. Go to effect, search for crop, drag this effect to the color matte. Go to effect control and scroll down. Play with left and right to control the thickness. Add this crop effect to your video only when you need. Otherwise you don't need to add this. Here, play with position. Looks good to me. Now I will change the color blue to white. Let's see a quick preview. It looks so beautiful. If you don't wanna use this crop effect to this color matte, you can uncheck this box, then play with scale white. This is for today. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, subscribe to my channel because every day I bring new videos. After subscribe, smash that bell icon. In this way you will get the notification fast.